Hello student, I hope you all are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today I will tell you chapter number 4, linear equation in two variable. Before starting the exercise, we need to understand the introduction and some basic fact which are very essential for solving the exercise. Let us come to the introduction. In earlier class, you have studied a linear equation in one variable. Can you write down a linear equation in one variable? You may say x plus 1 equal to 0, x plus root 2 equal to 0 and root 2y plus root 3 equal to 0 are example of linear equation in one variable. You also know that such equation have a unique, that is one and only one solution. You may also remember how to represent the solution on a number line. In this chapter, the knowledge of linear equation in one variable shall be recalled and extended to that of two variables. You will be considering equation like, does a linear equation in two variable have a solution? If yes, it is a unique. What does the solutions look like on the Cartesian plane? You shall also use the concept you study in chapter 3 to answer these questions. Linear equation. Let us first recall what you have studied so far. Consider the following equation: 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Its solution, that is the roots of the equation, is minus 5 by 2. After solving this equation, since 2x plus 5 equal to 0 and 2x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5 by 2. This can be represented on the number line as shown below, right? In the number line, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Since minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5, right? It lie between minus 3 and minus 2. This is minus 5 by 2. This can be represented on the number line as shown below. Okay, you have seen. While solving an equation, you must always keep the following point in mind. Number, the solution of the equation is not affected when, number first, the same number is added to or subtracted from both sides of the equation, right? Okay, it means, let us suppose you are writing x equal to 2, right? If you are adding 3 on both sides, the solution will never affect it. 2 plus 3 means x plus 3 equal to 2 plus 3 means x plus 3 equal to 5. The solution of x equal to 2 and x plus 3 equal to 5 will be same. Come to the second one, which you need to understand. Second one, you multiply or divide both the side of the equation by the same non-zero number. If you multiply and divide on both sides of the equation, let us suppose you have given an equation x equal to 3 of one variable. If you are multiplying this equation by 2, both sides, 2x in equal to 3 to the 6, the solution will be x equal to 3. It will never get affected. If you are dividing this equation by the any non-zero number, let us suppose you are dividing x by 2 and 3 by 2, and after solving this one you will get also x equal to 3, right? Let us now consider the following situation. In a one-day international cricket match between India and Sri Lanka played in Nagpur, two Indian batsmen together score 176. This is the total score made by both of the player. Express this information in the form of equation. Here you can see that the score of neither of them is known. Means both score made individual, that is the individual score of two player are unknown. Okay, there are two unknown quantities. Let us use x and y to denote them. Means score, let the score made by the first player is x and score made by the second player is y. So therefore total score can be represented as x plus y equal to 176, right? Which is the required equation. This is an example of the linear equation in two variable. It is customary to denote the variable in such equation by x and y, but other letter may also be used. Some example of the linear equation in two variable are, you may write like that: 1.2s plus 3t equal to 5, p plus 4q equal to 7, and pi u plus 5v equal to 9, and 3 equal to root 2x minus 7y. Note that you can put these equation in the form of 1.2s plus 3t minus 5 equal to 0. Means you can just take the constant value in the left hand side. The sign will be changed. Okay. So any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a linear equation. This is very important definition of linear equation in two variable, right? Now come to the example number 1. Write each of the following equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each cases, right? The first part, 2x plus 3y, very simple question. 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. You can write like that: 2x plus 3y plus minus 4.37. When you will bring the constant in the left hand side, sign will be changed equal to 0. After comparing with ax plus by plus c, a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 4.37, right? Okay, like that you can just convert the rest of part. Come to the example number 2. Write each of the following as an equation in two variable, okay. You have, in the first part you have linear equation in one variable, but you have to write it is as a equation, linear equation in two variable. Means you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You have given x equal to minus 5. Means you can write x plus 0y. You can pull this value in the left hand side, it will be plus 5 equal to 0, right? The same way in the second part you can write y equal to, it is given here, y equal to 2. You can write 0x plus, because the coefficient of x is missing here, so you can write 0x plus y minus 2 equal to 0. You can further write like that: 0x plus y plus minus 2 equal to 0. This is the complete form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Right, everybody? Now come to the exercise question. Exercise 4.1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of pen. Write the linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Means since cost of the notebook is twice the cost of the pen, let cost of the notebook be x. Let cost of let cost of notebook be x, and cost of pen be y. Cost of pen be y, right? You have given that the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So therefore, according to question ATQ, cost of notebook x twice the cost of pen x equal to 2y. So this is your answer. Now come to the second question. Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each cases. I have already told you by the help of the example, let us see any one part. Let us suppose we want to solve question number second. Eighth part, 5 equal to 2x, right? You may also write like that, or 2x equal to 5, no change. Both are the x left hand side equal to right hand side equal to left hand side, 2x equal to 5. You may further write it like as 2x plus 0y equal to 5, and also you can write 2x plus 0y plus minus 5 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus minus c equal to 0. So thank you very much, my dear student. I hope you will understand. Please, if you are new in this channel, like and subscribe the channel. I hope you will understand it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead.